Hi, my name is Paul, and I'm a Customer Success Manager here with ScriptRunner. In this video, we're going to show you how to use behaviors on Transition View to display specific resolutions based on issue type from the transition screen. It's very popular to include the resolutions field on the screen that goes to the done status. However, this list of resolutions is instance-wide and can get very long. It doesn't make sense to have a long list of resolutions for all projects or all issue types. If there are too many resolutions, the user may choose the incorrect one and reporting will not be accurate. So having behaviors to narrow down the resolution options will help with the accuracy of the resolution fields across your instance. Let's see what we're talking about here. You can see I'll have a story and a bug. If we transition this to the done, our list of resolutions is 7 resolutions long. If we go over to the bug and do the same thing, we get those same 7 resolutions. So let's enable behaviors to narrow down this list. Once inside behaviors, you're going to enable that behavior. You're going to select the project that you wish to have this included on. In this scenario, we're going to use a story and a bug type. And if we look at the field here, we want to have on load and on the transition view. And then this script here is getting the field by the issue type and it's looking for bug, and it will display certain options for us if it is a bug, and if not, it will display another set of options. This script, along with our documentation, will be linked to this video below. So please check that out. If we save this behavior and go back to our board, let's see if we have completed what we were trying to do. Move this story into here. Now you can see we have 4 options. And if we use the bug, we get a different set of those resolutions. So that is behaviors on transition view. Check out the rest of our videos in this playlist for more use cases for behaviors on Jira Cloud. For all other ScriptRunner features and updates, please head over to our scriptrunnerhq.com website. Thank you for your time and have a great rest of your day.